One TV special report.
Good afternoon, everyone. This time, allow me to introduce to you our keynote speaker who is very eager to share to us his speech. Our keynote speaker this afternoon is a 28-year-old gentleman, married, and a bona fide resident of Medellin, Misamis Occidental. He graduated his first ladder of education at Medellin Central School last 2008. Finished his secondary education at Medellin National High School last 2012. Graduated Bachelor of Science in Technology Teacher Education, major in Industrial Technology at Mindanao State University Ligan Institute of Technology in 2017. It passed the licensure examination for teachers last September 2018. He calibrated himself and proceeded to take Master Boards in Education in Technical Vocational Livelihood Education with track in Industrial Technology Education or MAED TVLE-ITE. Our keynote speaker is also an athlete. Few of his interests are playing airsoft, badminton, archery, and volleyball. In fact, he was awarded as the most valuable player in volleyball competition held in Ligan City in 2014. Nevertheless, he also garnered a national certificate too in photovoltaic installation, carpentry, masonry, and small. With all those professional skills, he became an assessor and a national TVET trainer in electrical installation and maintenance. He is also an accredited Safety Officer 1. Currently, he is connected in Department of Education. He is a licensed professional teacher of Clarín National High School. And without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Mr. John Christopher A. Cuevas.
Thank you so much, graduates. You may now take your seats. My respect to our board member, Eduardo Tatasibedo, our Honorable Mayor, Imitario Jujo Roa, our very own action man, ang tinuod nga nagpangga sa Clarín, kay sa Clarín, pinangga ka. Salamat sa inyong pag-ani, Mayor. Honorable Eugenio Barrientos, Barangay Captain Ray Barley, together with his Barangay Council, and to our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Ma'am Lorena P. Serrano, OIC SGOD Chief, Ma'am Chirel Samonte, together with her supportive and ever-handsome husband, Sir Lou Samonte. Education Program Supervisor, Lorena Silvahon, Ma'am Arlene Barquilla, Medellin Central School Principal, School Administrators, teachers, parents, and to the proud parents, graduates, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Thank you for inviting me this momentous occasion. Congratulations to all of you, to all the teachers, the parents. Please accept my warmest congratulations and your unwavering support and incomparable efforts for these graduates in front of us today. You all deserve our resounding round of applause. To our dear graduates, can you stand? Look at your parents. your teachers. Look at them in the eyes. Wave your hands to them. And say, thank you so much for all the efforts and understanding.
Thank you so much for all the efforts and understanding.
If not because of them, you will not be here today celebrating your success. Thank you, and you may now take your seats. To the proudest parents, as you guide your children through the journey of life, your rule is both profound and invaluable. Your support, love, and encouragement are the bedrock upon which their dreams are built. Today is just the beginning of another opportunity. So parents, my dear parents, always believe in their potential. Saligi ang abilidad sa inyong mga anak. Ang inyong pagsalig mo ay makapadasig o makapahayag sa inyong mga nindot na kaugmang. Be a pillar of strength. Ang kinabuhi sa usa ka estudyante dili jud sa iyo. Daghang mga pagsulay ang ilang mahigaguman, but your unwavering support and wide understanding through your love and care will help them navigate through difficulties and be their safe haven. Celebrate their efforts. Always acknowledge their hard work. Magamay man o malako, give recognition to the efforts and achievements of your children. Sa inana ang pamaaging mga nanay, you will boost the confidence and your children will get strength to pursue their dreams. And always teach values and resilience. Instill in them the values of integrity, empathy, and resilience. These qualities will not only help them succeed, but also become compassionate and responsible individual. Allow me to share about my life. 16 years ago, I was a pupil like you, sitting on my desk, listening to my handsome and beautiful teachers here in Melin Central School. I was an athlete of Sipak Takraw with my coach, 7M Bornia. I was a Balagtasan winner with my coach, the late Ma'am Pasita Sagrado. I graduated with no Latin honors, and I'm happy, and I succeeded. I was a body, kuhan ko ng body sa papa. You may know it as a laborer. Father's construction since my father was a carpenter. Disyo siya para sa ako apelmero. Kay bata pa, maulang makitan sa classmate na ang iba niyang mga classmate nagdula-dula sa gawas, naglakag-lakag, ako naglipon sa ako papa. Isod na ako handumon sa una kay maulaw ko. Later, I became a student in Clarin National High School. Ibueran niya ako. As the time passed by, di na ako maulaw. Kaya kabalo naman ko makaroon ng kwarta. Kabalo na ko, kailangan ko yung kwarta para sa akong kaugalingon. Makapagin ako sa akong sa akong gusto. Hindi ka December, kailangan kayo kung content ng party. Ganun man, ganun ang kwarta. Bago ako ang suot, bago ako sapatos, tungod to sa ako ang hard work. Kaya ako sa kaliburan. Katagal ko bahin sa ako ang papa. Kaya sa December, muna siya itinumukak sa ako ang alkansya. And I hope, in your generation, to the proudest parents at the back, I hope na na-instill pa na ninyo sa inyong mga anak karon. And lucky to those pupils and soon to become a student in high school, kung kamo nag-aalkansya mo, save for the rainy days, and it is also good for the brighter future of yours. Back then, our family was not financially stable. I took scholarship programs offered in school. I passed Misamis University Entrance Scholarship Program with half tuition fee scholar. I passed LaSalle University, Misamis and GAG-DC Scholarship Entrance Examination. Before the school year ended, I received an envelope labeled System Admission Scholarship Examination Result, BS Civil Engineering in MSU IIT. Among all the scholarship I passed, I was very interested to go in Iligan City to finish my degree. I brought my skills in electricity during my college days. College life had become my greatest struggle. In my first semester as Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, I realized that mathematics was not for me. I failed in my Math 17 subject. Math 17 subject is famous in MSU IIT because it is a combination of algebra and trigonometry. I wanted myself to become an engineer because I was inspired by my father because he is an architect. But unfortunately, it is not meant for me. I shifted and enrolled Bachelor of Science in Technology Teacher Education, major in Industrial Technology. Anak ko sa akong kaugalingon, kaya ako maging engineer, pero I don't know the financial stability of my parents. Maybe mahimo kong engineer, pero mahimong 7 years akong pag-eskwela. And that's my realization. That is why akong yun-una ang kalisod sa ako ang mga ginikanan. Musip jud ko para mahungan ko og dali. The course was the newest course offered by the College of Education in MSU IIT in preparation for the Senior High School K-12 program. The Cultural Development Office in MSU IIT was searching for an applicant to become a technical group that could handle lights and sound. It included basic knowledge of electrical installation and maintenance. Kauna-una ko, para din ko magkalisod, para din maglisod ang ako ang mama, kaya ako ang mangulad ko, college na po sa IIT. Duha namin ang boarding house, mahal ang boarding house, although barato para sa IIT, pero need ko mamahimong wise person. So, days after I applied, I was accepted and got the scholarship. Because of that, my parents would no longer pay my tuition fee. I had monthly allowance and installation allowance every time we have set up lights and sound. Every time na even ang MSU IIT nga mag-host Cultural Development Office. With my hectic schedule, as scholar na ko, daghan akong subjects, I managed to become a Dean's Lister, 3 consecutive times Dean's Lister. The Cultural Development Office paid for my building wiring installation in situ way back 2014. When I took the assessment at the School of Engineering Technology, I passed the assessment. Years passed by, that was January 2017. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Technology Teacher Education, major in Industrial Technology, and was awarded as the Outstanding Technical Crew CCAP Award given by the Cultural Development Office. After my graduation, I enrolled trainers methodology 1 at Oroqueta Agro-Industrial School as a TESP scholar of Tesla. I studied performance, making my own book in electrical installation and maintenance, and passed later the assessment. Years passed by, solar photovoltaic in situ, carpentry in situ, masonry in situ, smoke in situ. Nakuha na ako na siya for free. Wala ko'y bayad. And lucky for us today, daghan na kayo mga program ng government nga mag-offer of free training sa mga MCs. Not just on the province, gipaabot na siya kada barangay sa atong pinananggang governor. And of course, implemented by my own brother, Jadel Pebas, our PESO manager, with the guidance of our very own action man, Honorable Jojo Emeterio Roma. June 25, 2018, I was hired as teacher 2 in Korean National High School. As senior high school department PDL teacher, specialized in small and carpentry. And later, years of service, I entitled myself to my ever beautiful, talented wife, Quincy Tabal Pebas. That was January 17, 2021. And blessed with a beautiful angel months after our marriage. August 2021, I enrolled my master's degree program in MSU IIT and got accepted after a lot of requirements being submitted for me to take a slot. A lot of scholarship offered inside the campus. Since I am connected in the Department of Education, lisod yung bangita og scholarship mas naaka sa DepEd. Because scholarship, kasagaran scholarship yung i-offer. Pag enroll ka o graduate studies, ang nag-offer na CHED. Pag once may bawan ka sa CHED, ganaan ka sa Department of Education is 90%. You are disqualified. Based on an experience, I applied twice. And lucky, luckily, there was a Teach Them Master Scholars program offered by the GBF Foundation. GBF Foundation was the owner of the Robinson's Place. GBF Foundation, it really answered my prayer. Lisod kayo, mahal kayo, eskwela o masteral. kapoy o stress. Samot na kung nalabaho pa ka, minyo ka o na kay anak, lisod pagbahin-bahin sa oras. And sa akong pagka-scholar, daghan kayo mga benefits. We have annual stipend allowance. It helps a lot financially. We have thesis allowance. We have communication allowance. Daghang mga allowances kay yung madumog every time basta scholar ang sa estudyante. That's why I am sharing this sa inyong mga estudyante na graduate karon o para kundi mag-guided ang inyong mga ginikanan. Di na karon lisod ang pagpa-eskwela sa inyong mga anak. Daghan kayong mga scholarship na gi-offer sa government nga pwede kaayo ninyong i-avail. And this kaning ako ang pag-speak karon muna akong gusto ipaabot sa inyo. To the honor students, use your academic excellence. I-maintain ninyo ang inyong study habits. To those sporty mga students, daghan kayo mga dagko ng mga universities na nag-offer of varsity scholarship program. So, maintain your ability, maintain your skills. And to those skillfully inclined pupils like you also to become students, please develop your skills. And now, sa akong pag-eskwela, sa akong pag-masteral, hapit na dito kong graduate. I am on my way to my final defense of my study, entitled Integrating Smart Systems in Electrical Installation and Maintenance, an instructional trainer. O diabot nga din ako na-stress ko tayo. Kay gasto, mahal kayo ang mga equipment nga akong i-develop na smart system. My smart system is not just an ordinary system of lighting na makita ninyo dira. Kaya nakita ninyo dira, not this one. Because ang akong study is a smart system in which you can monitor it online, in local area network, and in manual operation. Makita na ko, kung mahibawa na ko, kung ang ako ang balay ko na ay nag-consume o 20 kung wala na ako napalong ang suga. And just a click on my phone, pwede na ako na siya i-off. That's my master's thesis. Why I am sharing this, all of this, it is not my intention to brag my achievements. My achievements, you know, all of those are the product of my scholarship programs na ako ang i-applyan. Your education is one of the most valuable investments you can make in yourself. Finish what you have started and you will find the rewards are far greater than you ever imagined. Stay determined, work smart, and believe in your ability to succeed. The future is yours to shape. Thank you so much. Daghan kayong salamat sa pagpagilaw. God bless everyone.
Thank you so much, Sir John Christopher A. Cuevas, for a very informational message.
Republic of the Philippines, Department of Education, Region 10, Division of Misamis Occidental, Clarin North District, Nialin Central School, presents this certificate of appreciation to John Christopher A. Cuevas in grateful appreciation and acknowledgement for his distinguished and invaluable time and effort rendered as guest speaker during the 75th graduation exercises of Yanin Central School year 2023-24, thereby contributing immeasurably to the success of the activity. Given this 30th day of May 2024 at Yanin Covered Court, Yanin Clarin Misamis Occidental, Philippines, signed by me. Thank you very much, sir.
Graduates, please stand. Raise your right hand and repeat after me. Pledge of loyalty. Pledge of loyalty. We, the graduates of Yanin Central School, Class 2024, join in a solemn pledge
you.